As we get older, we often lose the extreme ends of our hearing spectrum. So how many of the following sounds can you hear? How old are your ears? Well, if you can hear 8,000 Hz, you're alive and don't have hearing loss. But let's continue to raise the frequency. How high can you hear? If you can hear all of these frequencies, you are probably under 20 years old. But this will not last forever. Unlike other organs such as the liver or skin, the inner ear does not have the ability to regenerate. In your ear there are thousands of tiny nerve cells called hair cells. These are responsible for picking up different frequencies and sending the signal to the brain. It's processed, but as you age, exposure to loud noises and sounds continues. It can break, bend and destroy these cells. So why did the high frequencies start first? It turns out that hair tuned to high notes is the first to direct sound waves. As a result, they experience more stress and tend to deteriorate earlier. This is why the older you get, the harder it is to hear high notes. Do you have a burning question you want answered? Ask in the comments. And subscribe for more weekly science videos. How old are your ears? Hearing test.